Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E1TY277. This is a 2001 Toyota Celica GT. Very nice and clean oil. This is a high mileage vehicle. It was just purchased off of a one owner. The lady bought it new and has owned it its entire life. The vehicle has 190,966 miles on it. Just runs really well. Thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E1TY277. And don't forget to ask about our extended warranties. We offer 6-month, 1 year, and lifetime part and labor warranties. Thank you and have a nice day.